Mercedes-Benz, in upholding its tradition of crafting elegant and sporty dream cars, introduces the new CLE Coupe. This model emerges as a standalone series, embedding conceptual and technical enhancements from the C-Class and E-Class vehicles. Marking a significant evolution, the CLE Coupe showcases expressive design, exclusive comfort equipment for personalized luxury, and an assertive, sporty driving performance. Scheduled to commence its market launch in Europe in November, the CLE Coupe precedes the release of the CLE Cabriolet, thereby enriching the C and E-Class segments. The powertrain of the Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe is a reflection of the brand's commitment to both performance and sustainability. All engines are mild hybrids, incorporating an integrated starter generator and a 48-volt electrical system. The choice of 4-cylinder units and the most powerful engine option, a 3-liter straight-six petrol engine, ensures a range of driving experiences. The CLE 454 Matic, with its twin-turbo 3-liter inline-6 mil and an integrated starter generator, delivers a peak output of 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system. The design language of the new CLE Coupe redefines iconic elements from Mercedes-Benz history. Its long wheelbase, pronounced shoulders, large wheels, and the unique inclination of the A-pillar, coupled with short front and slightly longer rear body overhangs, inject a special allure into this vehicle. True to the brand's philosophy of sensual purity, the CLE Coupe emerges as a powerful, dynamic sculpture, making an emotional statement from every angle. The CLE Coupe's dimensions reflect its position as the largest two-door model in the mid-size segment. It offers ample space for passengers, particularly in the rear, with an increased 10 millimeters of headroom, 19 millimeters more shoulder and elbow room, and an impressive 72 millimeters more knee room. The vehicle's trunk volume is also noteworthy, offering an additional 60 liters of space compared to its predecessors. The athletic character of the CLE Coupe is defined by its forward-leaning front section, shark nose, low-slung bonnet, flat LED headlights, and 3-dimensional radiator grille. Power domes on the long hood hint at the potency of the engines, which include options up to 6 cylinders. The vehicle's muscular rear is accentuated by flowing surfaces, smooth transitions, and 2-part LED lights. Inside, the CLE Coupe debuts a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument display, an 11.9-inch driver-oriented central display, and dynamic ambient lighting that features 64 colors. The cabin is furnished with front seats in an exclusive integral sport design, and when paired with the optional Burmester 3D surround sound system, offers an immersive audio experience. Additionally, the vehicle comes with a unique easy entry function where the front seats can be unlocked with an elegant Napa leather loop rather than a traditional lever. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe is a harmonious blend of traditional Mercedes design cues and innovative technologies. With its spacious interiors, advanced digital features, and commitment to a sporty yet comfortable driving experience, the CLE Coupe has been crafted to cater to the evolving expectations of modern motorists. The introduction of this model not only enriches the Mercedes-Benz portfolio, but also symbolizes the brand's continuous evolution to meet and exceed customer expectations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.